Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS V and Joey Fortune Harmony Analysis. I've received an application from BTS V and Joey for a fortune harmony analysis. There was a request from Christy Tao. Their fortune was showing a very good harmony. Let's analyze it together. V is a beautiful flower in his fortune. Beautiful flowers like to be gathered together and are adaptable. And the letters that mean popularity are in a strong position. Joy is a rain in her fortune. Rain is emotional and delicate. There are two letters that mean popularity. Rain and beautiful flowers go well together. It's off to a good start. Then I will do a detailed analysis. V has a very unique fortune structure. The letters meaning women and wealth are strong. And input energy is strong. The structure in which the two energies are confronting is V's fortune. This structure is a fortune structure that is usually seen by educational entrepreneurs and is very intelligent. The letters meaning wealth mean value judgment, spatial intelligence, mathematical intelligence, composing ability, etc. Input energy means academic capacity, information collection, mother's love, documentation, etc. We will have a lot of documented assets, and he will always be interested in activities that increase his value while learning. However, it is not psychologically stable because it is a symmetrical structure. Joy's input energy is strong too. Input energy supports energy on both sides with the same letters as herself. And it became a good structure as an entertainer because energy flows through the letters meaning art and wealth. But overall, like V, wealth and input energy are confronting. Joy has a letter that corresponds to art, showing a slightly more natural flow of energy and a sense of psychological stability. The letters that correspond to art mean speaking skills, ability to spread her talents, creativity, etc. I'm sure you two have a lot on common ground. It's a bit disappointing that Joy doesn't have any letters for men, but I'd like to give them 91% of their fortune harmony scores. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.